Ashefo, me mamo akwaba eba CMTV Ghana dwumedie. Me din di Efia Safo na me na meye ene dwumedie chiame. Ene ye boutique bia ye ne papa bia young man oye onmonyamfo hardworking guy bi ana eba be twetwe nkomo. Ansa na program no be sha ase no, ye be stress say obe subscribe to this channel, now wa comment, now wa share channel yinso. Inti ye wan usima baako fa subscribe na yento aso. So pacho within the same and I'll bet me aka bibi kakra fa ho said de be ya ahwefo ebe hu nipa oye.
Me din at the first of all met ya ahwefo nyina. Me din ankasa the community boss yakon. Me a CEO for Tonopreko Ghana. Actually me call junior high school Holy Trinity Cathedral. Senior high school Holy Trinity. And then I'm still a student of Ramses College. I'm into programming and pen testing and also website developing. Yeah.
Okay. Me pacho me sure of course na enya in line with ejuma way inti then na eba wa dream then na encourage you say yeah bibi to say boutique intade woman crofo be beton nyoma because ejuma na course now enya in line with fashion. So what gave you that encouragement?
Actually me particular Tonopreko is an online store. Okay. I wanted to, though I'm an IT student, okay, but I'm really into fashion. Okay, so I wanted to divert, but it got to a time I realized that my website developer wasn't doing well. Okay, so I wanted to start a website. I mean, a good business since I'm an IT guy. So I wanted to sell electronic gadgets on the website. Then I asked the man to my developer to develop a website for me. Okay. But initially, I realized that he wasn't doing what I wanted. Okay. Now, why I say me sometime my mother's site Mrs. US Mrs. store. So they were the people I was looking up to. And sometimes I'm sure my site and I'm sure the independent designer mama na. And then so I decided that no. Listen, I have to learn myself. Okay, so if I can rephrase Krana, I wasn't much into IT. I started even IT school or Ramses, but it's because of this same website. That's why I started schooling. Okay, because I realized the a designer, I wasn't comfortable with it. So I decided that no, then I have to learn it myself and do it myself. So I was in a room, I think for who I learned, I mean, it took me 2 years to learn the whole concept. Okay, which is the website developing, designing and everything. So I learned and I said that no, this one I have to, further up. So I decided to apply for Ramses College. Yeah. And then up to date, I'm the same guy who designed for the app. Now I think for the Android app and then also the website. So if there's any glitch, I'm the one who design everything. I mean, who repair and do all kinds of stuff to it.
Okay, so I would want to ask when Tonopreko started, when it began, and why the name Tonopreko? Because there are other names. Michelle, I said they'll come Brofi or Brofi didn't be bra. It best you to such a nice place like this. But I'm not saying Tonopreko isn't nice, but why Tonopreko?
Okay, it was awesome, but Tonopreko. Initially, I was doing this thing. Though I was in Ghana, I was doing this thing in the US. Okay, the name was Dopechick. Dopechick.com. And then I realized, and what we were doing was a drop shipping. That's what Kiku is doing. Yeah, it's drop shipping. It's like we have the wholesalers, Okay, they'll supply you with the pictures of the products. You put it in your shop, you sell it online. When the customers order for it, the wholesalers will deliver it straight to your customers in your name, in the name of your company. So I was doing this and I realized, no, in the US there's a lot of competition, big shops, Amazon, a whole lot of shops. So I realized that no, this I have to move it back here. And the name Dope Chick, looking at it, you say I to say a man, be and a whole lot of things. I decided to go for Megabuy. Okay, and Megabuy too. When I checked online, normal to domain in that. Okay, so I decided to think of something. Then I went to one of my wholesalers shop, and that woman, anytime I go to her place, oposti enema no ene se enema we aba onko nasa. Okay, onko nasa. Onya kokacha se enema na ba within 30 minutes unko do no shop na ma be tu enema no cost. So I was like, na there say me turn preku. Because whenever I go there will be like one aka so turn preku to turn preku. Yes, I want turn preku am nasa. So I was like, okay, what dey me turn preku. Yes, it's the be am call say papa turn preku na fa ko go so mo yes e besa. So that's how come I say, okay, Tom Pekon also is a local, it's a very good name. So let me check for the domain. And luckily enough, I got the domain online.
Okay. Inti, my person ebusa say, I feel bang and Kasta say, who a date na Tony Pekon or the shasi and our first branch and I say, baby, Udi can edit shasi thing.
Okay. Initially, no. It started on Kaswa. Okay, but we had a lot of challenges. So, and over there, we were doing it fully online. Okay, we weren't having these physical shops and that stuff. So we decided, said, not still ma, because there wasn't enough fund for the online adverts. Until we closing it down, and I'm bedroom who did, say, you know, people were complaining that online store no I don't want to mention some online stores their names, but online stores at the end of the bar and yet the same thing to the muhuno. They were complaining about how my own turn next to sin no bo on turn color no match and color so a whole lot of complaints. So I decided that no, then why shouldn't I do? We have the online store now to set up a physical shop, okay, for it across the country. Okay, that's our dream, or that's my dream, that set up all branches across the country. So that yeah, in Japan, so online store the person can come straight to the shop and buy. And because of saying more physical shopping, you know, or being like some trust, we say, oh, these people I know their physical shop. Even when I buy online and it doesn't fit me, I can return it back. Okay, so that's how come. I decided, said, then I have to set up. That was our comeback plan. Say I'll come back, set up a physical shop, because I don't know why I should rent a shop and be in it, put on AC, be in the shop. Then I will stock the product, and then I'll be selling it solely online. So I decided that no, then I have to open up the shops, then start selling it physically, so that those who can't access the internet can also buy it in the physical shop.
Okay. Me patron to be to me akachre challenges nibia we face here abrekra o started on a prekon e online. If you say you be braye ba ye need je fashion ho ye mo be brain so nya ya ye be boutiques ni ade and I to say online job scene, so it pays off very well. Inti yen so ye pese ye hu said be aye shase a ye betimi a guide.
Oh, okay. For online, you see, we have a whole lot of things that comes together. Okay, one, taking the pictures of the products. Sometimes, that's one of the main challenges, because any money be drawer, you have to take all pictures of all the products. That's the good stuff. Aside that, I mean, stocking the products. Putting prices on it, everything. It's a huge challenge, and sometimes to advertisements. That's the main issue. Sometimes you can do an advert. This thing is fully investment. If you want to run an online store, what I'll tell anyone who wants to do an online business is, you need to market the name. Okay, you need to market the name of your product or the name of your company. because when you market the name of the company, that's what I believe. Okay, for online platforms, the moment the person wake up early in the morning, so when hear me people hear China, when you say no, this necklace, I have to go to Tony Preco and get some. Okay, so whilst it's an investment, sometimes you'll be marketing and you won't get results like initially what you were doing at Mal and Kaswa, you were not getting results. You were marketing actually, because like I said, not knowing it was an investment. Okay, you have to invest your time and your money as well. And I tell you, we have one of the cheapest. I think last year the whole of last year we were doing free delivery. Even when you buy an item worth 35 cedis, you get free delivery within the city here. So we aren't looking into solely for profit, but we are trying to provide the needs of the people. And what our main aim is to, employ a lot of people. Employ a lot of the youth. And as you can see, most of the youth can say in money. I tell you, in money. That's how come I won't say we are you see. So our main aim is employment for the people. So now we've chipped in network marketing, in which what we decided early last year that now if you want to be an agent to Tony Preco, you want to sell, okay, you don't need to go anywhere. Just be in your house. Join Tony Preco. When you join Tony Preco, you just be in your house. We will send you the pictures. You put in a group. We have a lot of groups for our agent. We put you in the group in which we feed the people with pictures of the products. When you send the pictures into the group, yours is to copy the picture. Okay. You post it on your status, wherever you can market them. Okay. When a customer buys it from you, our team will package the stuff nicely in your name and in the name of the company. Then we deliver it to your customer. Okay. And when you finish selling it to your customers, the best thing we can do is to just calculate. And the most amazing thing is whatever you market, you get 10% on whatever you market. Okay. So let's assume this shirt is 50 cedis. Okay, get 10% for selling this, 10% on the 50 cedis for selling this. Wow. Yeah. So you just have to be in your comfort zone. Don't go anywhere. You see, just be in your comfort zone and market the products. When you market them, we will just deliver and send us the customer's info. We just deliver it to the customer nicely for you. Then at the end of the day, we send you your profits. Yeah, so it's a very, very nice thing. And not only that, when you invite someone into the system, automatically the person is under you because you invited the person. Any sales the person will make, you have a percentage on anything the person will sell. So whilst you're also selling and making money, you're also making money out of your people that you invited. So you don't need to be greedy. You just need to invite your people, let them also market, because there will be anyone who say, "Hey, be a uncle winning," but will be new microphobia winning who needs a lot of things that you don't have. Okay.
Okay. Inti me pacho ye pese ye who branches are Tony Preco, or how many branches? Because I know be an betini about or branch bako. So into the pese or boss sooner. Ashafo ebin so bie hu bibi wa ha opeso oto branch ben na ben no nanka wetumi akoho. Okay.
For now no, there were 2 branches. I think one is under construction on Malam until we and 2 aha, which is aha Matayeko ha na ba konso so Achimota new station.
Okay. Into Ashafo Tony Preco to see no omo 2 they are ready, which is a hanum say Matayeko hanum say ana Achimota into meshremo ope atade papa asha bra Tony Preco na betobi. And Tony Preco isn't just selling clothes, so they are giving out employment too, because most of the youth are stranded. Many of us aren't getting works to do, and or we are just home not doing anything. Into me pacho men say umbre wo fie per customer bi bra Tony Preco. Now mon start ejuma na monye wan kasa so be pay employment. Enya sa bribia obeba shop nim wotu fie na wo ton ade amankrofo na onya osika umpe we na opeden. Into me pacho final question na last but one question e pese ebusano pacho Tony Preco. Me akasa me hu but viewers no de omuni ha nti pese ye hu enioma amowo se unisex nkwala de wo me penifo de wo ye pese ye hu enioma amowo.
Yeah, your unisex, your mema, your ma, your uncle, so we are doing. Yeah.
Okay. Nti pacho enye mpenimfo nko ana se emema na man nko ana ye wo monyoma otone preko ha ye wonyoma bebre a obia ba with the aged youth obia oba obenya na tade ewom me pacho o last advice o de bema youthful na ye baso no ye mu bebre ye niji entrepreneurship hone these small and big scale businesses no.
Okay, my last advice is you know, it was to be an entrepreneur, and it's not easy to be an entrepreneur. Okay, our system, the country is all that we are in. The system was not built to suit entrepreneurship. Okay, so I will say a very sorry to anyone who wants to be an entrepreneur. It won't be easy. Yeah, it won't be easy, but it's really worth it. Yeah, it's really worth it. If you're able to build, it's really worth it. That's what I'm trying to say.
If I just see in night, I didn't so shall see any dream pempen so be a ocean say why successful or see in the end it's worth it. Into a night me who papa CMTV Ghana aye ama viewers nina because obi oha o fear o name set on a preko aside from selling in your macra almost a creating employment so and so and ya bahanum say e de ababeto mo nim ama mate set on a preko so aside from buying, you can also get employment here. On pay way now pay den. Iti ansa na yebe wie bibia no. Yebe peste one yen be koto na yahwe enyoma kakra ewo shop product. O pese o frɛ Royal Baby a friend was our number way so 0242888441 0242888441 ebiomo so Brickman ono so pese o friend no number way so 02428841. The last sponsor Royal Touch Sweets Cuisine Adriano Papa artist of home ono so pese unyana friend no 0574158699 yada wase bye.